Guys, out of all the time I've been playing Animal Company, I finally got a new fit. The reason why I bought the pug is because of Trudy. And I want to thank a huge welcome to my dad for getting me company coins. But we're going to take this new update down a different path. And I am going to show you the new update. So, first thing, we have this stinky cheese, which I'm not gonna eat because it gives you a green aura effect. Stench. It gives you pure stench. And nobody wants stench. It's just disgusting. Like, why would you do that? I mean, you can play cheese touch with it, which would be kind of fun. But the other thing is, sewers has dirt instead of brick. Oh yeah, you spawn like this now, and instead of you being in the good old sewers, you're in mansion. And not mansion, you're in forest. But here is what I am so excited for. Animal Company went out and over. Out and over, and let me just show you something. You see that? Wait, no, that's Haunted Mansion. Hold on, over here. We're gonna take a look over here. And over here, look what they brought back. They brought back the Armstrong Cave. I am so happy that Animal Company did this. Like, thank you, Animal Company. Before in the snowing update, I was never able to experience this, but now I can. So today is a day where I can actually get to experience the Armstrong Cave and what's inside of it. Well, I'm gonna go take a little peep over to Armstrong. Where is he? I'm gonna take a peep over to Armstrong. You in here? I feel like you're in here. Nope, you're not in here. Actually, I'm gonna go over here and kill red light, green light. It's a bomb. Never mind, it's not a bomb. Yep, Armstrong's in here. I know you're in here. Come here. Hi, Armstrong. Wait, what? I guess you might be up here. In here? Hi. Ah! That hurt. Yeah, the new ad feature is really annoying me. This would be useful. Animal Company, if I can have something removed, please remove the ad feature. It's killing me. I guess they increased the intensity of that. What? What was that? It's a bomb. Oh, perfect. I don't want to go in there just yet. I want to see if there's anything like sewers. Like, since sewers is forest now, how are we meant to get to low grav? The lava now one tap stuff, which actually it's the golden toilet roll. Don't move. I'm stupid. Oh, what's in here? Please don't be a bomb. Please don't be a bomb. Give me this. Alright, now I'm gonna head on over here and give a chalk chalk boom boom to Red Light Green Light. Chalk. Well, the only thing I wanted to show you was this cool OG update. And I'm just find the exit and then I'm gonna leave. Well, guys, just to let you know, make sure to like and subscribe. That would really appreciate it, and thank you. Thank you all. I cannot thank you more. Thank you for 100 subscribers. Oh gosh, darn it. Don't need that anymore. Alright, good video.